Hey guys, good morning. So I completely forgot to vlog yesterday's activities. However, once we arrived in San Diego, we went to Mission Beach and then we had some drinks at one of the restaurants by the beach. And then we went to Annie's Canyon Trail. And after that, we went to Panera Bread to go get some water and just recover because we were literally dying after the trail. So then after that, we went back to the hotel to kind of like take a nap. Well, I took a 2-hour nap because I'm old. And then shortly after that, we then went to Old Town Temecula, where we went to this restaurant called Be Good. Then we went out to this place called The Pub, but they had a line, which is crazy because no one was inside. So we ended up just going back to the hotel, having a few shots there, went to sleep, and now here we are in the morning. We are at the Cash Brewery / winery, waiting to get on the van to go to the hot air balloon tour that we're doing today. So I'll definitely make sure to vlog everything today. So yeah. Okay, so we are now, they're taking a picture. The balloon is being blown up. I had no idea how large this balloon was gonna be. Here's the other one getting blown up on this side. Like, we're literally about to be in the sky. Seeing the sunrise in Temecula. So here is the van.
They're about to take off. They're about to go.
Wow.
Wow, look at the images.
We have left the ground. We were down there. So pretty. Look at the mountains. There's some other buildings. This is truly, this is the piece that you cannot burn. Look on this side. I'm scared to turn. Should I turn?
Yeah, I'm
Look how pretty the sun is.
Look at the sunrise, like, please. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful. So beautiful. This is my vlog. Hey, please. We did it.
It's actually all the same, yeah. So I have a commercial balloon license, commercial hot air balloon license. I also have my airplane license as well. So.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. They got this one crazy guy from France. His name is Pilot. That's where they get the name pilot from. It's the first man to ever fly. Okay. He landed in a nearby town, and the village people nearly beat him to death because they thought it was an alien. They'd never seen anything fly but animals. So the next flight, they brought champagne with them.
And so here you go.
And so there you go, off so they can offer as a peace offering and be like, hey, look, we're not aliens.
Okay.
And also to celebrate from. So ever since then, we've been celebrating with champagne.
Woo!
Oh, what's up? Cool. Is there anyone that would not like orange juice?
Look at the views.
Wow, that's something to celebrate.
All right.
Nothing but.
Look, it came out really good.
And you have
Oh,
my
yeah, there you go. Go.
I wanna love you every day and every night. Be together, the roof over our head will share the shadow of our single bed. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
My cab.
Okay.
It's the #1 selling white wine.